ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್?
Raise your hand.
ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ? ಬನ್ವಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬನ್ವಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ವಾ ನೀನು? ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡು.
Hands up, Banavi.
Hands up ಬನ್ವಿ.
Yes, very good.
So if you want to go for first standard, you need to write exam, right? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರಿತೀರಿ ನಾವು? ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್?
Annual exam.
ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಯಾವುದು?
Annual exam.
ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸುಗು? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮು?
Which subject book have?
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 2 3 ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿರೋದು?
Yes.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐಸು ನೋಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ?
No.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ? EVS. Yes. So you are having 5 subjects, right? ಒಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್, mathematics, EVS, ಕನ್ನಡ,
Hindi.
ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 5 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ? ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, ma'am.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Practice ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ.
ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ essay to revision. ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? essay to okay. So then sit straight all of you now. The first heading is write uppercase letter to lowercase, lowercase letter to uppercase. So the first main is write uppercase letter to lowercase letter to uppercase. Okay, so you know very well, right? Uppercase capital letters, lowercase small letters. ಲೋವರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು,
Small letters ಇದ್ರೆ capital letter ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ
Capital letter.
ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನೌ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್?
Uppercase.
ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು?
Small a.
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. Mananda ma'am, give me one chair, madam. This is small case letter, right? Lower case letter, you should write
Uppercase.
letter for this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now who will be writing this? Yaar bariyodu idana? Who is ready to write? Everybody knows. Everybody knows, right? Come here.
Ashwini go.
Come here, Ashwini. You tap, ma'am, then clarity will come. Up you tap. Uppercase letter A is there. You should write small a. Is it right? Chair, ma'am. Small chair. Is it right?
Yes.
Let me chair, ma'am. Height will not enough for her. Yes, ma'am. Correct. Next you write, ma'am. M, small m. Okay. J, small j. K, small k. T, small t. Then next, R now. I get you chance for everyone. Arnav, we have small letters. We should write capital letters. Okay, fine. Up. Even though you. Wait, ma. Oh my God. Okay. Right, ma. Okay.
Yes.
Wait, ma.
Next.
Yes, sir. Smallest. K. Big K. L. Small. Big L. Look here. Write uppercase letter to lowercase letter. Lowercase letter to
Uppercase letter.
Fine. So here we have the capital letter. You should write a small letter. Capital letter, small letter. Capital letter, small letter. Capital letter, small letter. Capital letter, small letter. Okay, fine. Next, small letter. We should make a capital letter. So A, E, S, K, L, L. Isn't it? Yes, sir. Clap for everyone. So now you know very well, right? Exam and full marks. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Full marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Okay. So now I write a picture. You should write the name of the picture. ನಾನೊಂದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಆ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಹೆಸರು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ? ರೆಡಿ? The second thing is write the name of the following picture. Write the name of the following figure ಅಥವಾ picture. Okay? What is this? What is this? What is this? Sun. What is this? Umbrella. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, fine. What is this? X marks tree. Wow. Fine. So look at the picture. Can you tell the name of this picture? Okay. Harihara Sudan, what is this? 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 Shall we write the spellings now?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will be saying spelling to me? Stand up, Nadeem. Wait. Nadeem, can you say the spelling of ball? B-A-L-L. Ball. Correct. Wait, ma. Next, Konde, get up. So, what is the spelling of fish?
Rock.
Yeah. Very good. What is the spelling of fish?
F-I-S-H.
F-I-S.
Yes.
Okay. Then next, what is the picture of this? Stand up, ma. What is the spelling of grapes? G-R-A-P-E-S. Very good. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. What is the spelling of it? Okay, fine. What is the next picture?
Kite.
Okay, Venba, can you say the spelling of kite?
K-I-T-E, kite.
Okay, correct. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Okay. Next, what is the picture of this? Sun. Very good. Subus, tell me, what is the spelling?
Yes, U-N, sun.
Very good. Yes, U-N, sun. Very good. Clap for your friend. Okay. Then who will be saying the spelling of this picture?
Yes, umbrella.
Tell me the spelling of umbrella.
Stand up.
Telma. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Tell everyone. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Say loudly. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Okay, fine. What is the picture of this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice. You can say ice spelling. Okay. Sahiti, what is the spelling of ice? Ice. Sala. Ice. Tell Madhushan. I-C-E. Ice. What is the spelling of ice?
I-E.
Next. Okay, wait, everyone. See, your teacher also raising the hand. Wait. Stand up, ma. What is the spelling of what is the picture of this? APP is apple. Then, A-P-P.
L-E. Apple.
Spelling of this?
A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
Okay. I will give you chance for everyone. Okay, fine. Where is Toshit?
Toshit absent today.
Okay, fine. What is the picture of this?
Xmas tree.
Xmas tree, right?
Yes.
Can you say the spelling of Xmas tree?
Yes.
Ah,
M-A-S-S-T-R-E-E.
very good. Xmas tree. What is the spelling of this?
X-ray.
Then what is this? What is this?
Watch.
What is the spelling of watch? Wait. Tell pa. What is the spelling of watch? Tell me soon. Very good. What is the spelling of it?
W.
Shall we say once again, everyone?
T-C-H. Watch.
Here, Soumya. Read the heading and teach every spelling to our students.
Write the name of the following picture. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball.
Say loudly.
Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Red. G-R-A-D-E-S. Red. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Sun. S-U-N. Umbrella. U-M-B. R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella.
Say loudly.
I-C-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Xmas tree. X-M-A-S-T-R-E. Xmas tree. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch.
Very good, everyone. Now I wrap this. Okay. Anandamam, can you bring the chair? That side one chair, ma'am. ದುಷ್ಯಂತ್ come here. ಹಾ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರಿಯಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಎತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರಿಯಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಓಕೆನಾ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಹಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ನೌ ಕಮ್ ಕುತ್ತಿದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬಾಬರಿ ಅಪ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ right from here. First you write apple. Right, next guys. I see you. Come friend. Next. Thank you, Dushan. Today clap for Dushan. Next. Will you practice tomorrow? Monday I get you test again, okay? When come? Write on. Whichever you know, you write. ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದು ಬನ್ನಿ She's the left hand writer. Super.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, ma'am. VATCH correct. Next, X marks 3. Yes. MAS. Yes. Ash. Mask. MAS. Mask. A. Yes. Mask 3. TREE. A. TR. TREE. Clap for her. Next one is umbrella. U. M. B. R. E. L. A. Very good. Umbrella. Is it correct everything?
Yes.
Is it correct everything?